trying to get our little Christmas bunny dressed here. She won't let me get her dressed. She's chewing on her toes. She's trying to chew on those toes. What are you doing? What are you doing, sister? Yeah. Can we get dressed now? Can we get dressed now? Can we get dressed now? My little Christmas bunny. My little Christmas bunny. She's a bunny girl. She's a Christmas bunny. Here's our little Christmas bubble. My little Christmas bubble. Good morning. There's our Christmas dad. With the giant train nest that he constructed last night. Say good morning. Merry Christmas. It's Christmas, babies. You're so cute. Say Merry Christmas, Grandma, Aunt Robin, Grandma Jean, Grandma and Grandpa, Aunt Mandy. Say hi, everybody. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. They don't care. Can we get her dressed now? Do you think we can get her dressed now, Bubble? Yeah. Yeah. Merry Christmas. What? Did you say Merry Christmas? Merry Christmas. Can you do some kisses? Okay.